In order for your company to be successful, it is necessary for its picture to stay specialist. Think that your credibility and make or damage your service quicker than other elements. Continue ahead to find out about various ways to properly manage your track record to assist stay clear of expensive errors. To much better your business reputation online, try optimizing your web pages with your necessary keywords. It is regular that this would be your firm's name. An internet search engine, such as Google, like authoritative web pages. If you're viewed as an authority, your organization will certainly relocate up the internet search engine. Tip: make sure you are a personable online presence. Posting status updates and tweets don't work without active communication between you and your followers. Always keep an eye on social media sites. According to Arnold Worldwide, over half the customers expect answers to their comments and questions on social networks. Reply quickly and professionally. Being responsive can help your business stand out. Stay current on news relevant to your business sector. This will help to keep your brand fresh, and it gives you an edge against your competition. It only takes a few minutes searching the web every day to get the latest news in your industry. Make sure to hire professionals to run your social media pages. Your company is represented by these pages, so it is essential that nobody sees any negativity there. You want to be personable enough so that others know you're not a robot, but you also have to stay within reasonable limits. Tip: pay close attention to how you are perceived online. You can never tell when your company may receive a negative search engine result from an unhappy customer or somebody that just does not like you or your business. If you're a business owner, make sure you treat all your employees respectfully. This can have a big impact on your business. If word gets around about how you treat employees, customers may not do business with you. If you list a sale as private, keep it that way. If a consumer has made a complaint against your business, you want to keep the details of what you offered to the consumer private. By posting this kind of information, you may end up getting lots of complaints. Tip: where are your customers? If you know there is a place your customers love, you should go there regularly. By getting to where the customers are going, you're going to learn more about them, so you can give them better service. A customer is most comfortable in social environments and is more likely to be open with you here. Pay attention to what's going on in social media. People frequently discuss firms on social media outlets. By monitoring these platforms, you can catch any negative comments and do damage control in a timely manner. That can help protect your company from bad press. If the reputation of your business declines, so will your profits. Knowing how to prevent these things from happening, as well as dealing with them properly when they occur, is what you'd have been learning. Now it's time to make what you've learned an actuality. Want more information? Visit this site, reputationandsocialagency.com, or call 301-600-469-53.